me. In front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, select one of your apps, for example Gallery. Now click Home button and tap on the square one. Then select pop-up view over here, pop-up window actually, in the middle at the bottom. And as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. You can even move it around. If you wish to make it bigger, you can do that by clicking on the second icon over here and dragging it. Like that. If you wish to close it, you can do that by clicking at the bottom or top left corner. But you can also go back into background apps over here and close this app in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!